Rickstar Club 306 star Tess Paris Dears at gmail.com 3 for 6245 066 for 722 for 27 3 for 951745 for 1 for thank you so much Po.
You know, so nice. It's like cat. And this one, you look, there is a lot of gold. I don't know if it's gold really inside. But there is a lot of gold. You look. So cute. And this one, it's so cute. You look. It's dark green, but so exotic. You look. Like this one too. You look. So hard. So strong. It's so exotic. And they are all different, you know? You look. But there is a gray crystal inside. You see? At this one, I don't see any crystal. It's like steel. It's like iron. It's so heavy, you know? And this one, what I like, it's all around has a gold. It's coated by gold all around has a gold. You see? And this gray jade isocrystal inside. It's like jade. Look how beautiful. And this one too has a crystal inside. It's gray. I think it's gray. And this one too. It's so exotic. I saw a jade inside too. And there's also gold. I saw also gold. And these all are so nice. And there's crystal inside. You know? It's like a golf ball. So beautiful. And these two, you look how beautiful they are. This one is like a planet.